Namaskaram. So day 18 of the Save Soil journey. Today I also have my Save Soil t-shirt on. So I hope all of you have been following the journey on social media. Sadhguru has been posting about his updates from Europe on the social media. So I hope you have been following that, and also you have been helping to share by spending at least 5-10 minutes a day different aspects which can help people become more aware. So just 5 minutes of your time, where maybe you're just posting something on your WhatsApp status or retweeting something, even these can make a huge difference. It is something which should not be underestimated, because if all of us we just give a few minutes of our time on a daily basis, this can reach so many more people, and which is very important, because sometimes we think that how we can make a difference, but this is something which we can make a phenomenal difference. If and this is something I can share this, that wherever you go, even now it's just been around 17 days. Today is the 18th day of this journey, but even now wherever I go, if I just ask them, have you heard about SaveSoil? They say yes, we have heard about it. So that is the kind of impact it has had, and that imagine that if we all of us continue doing the same, by the end of this journey, by 100 days, it should happen that there's no person in this world who doesn't know about the importance of soil, and that is a very, very important step. It will be a phenomenal landmark step if this happens. Even now, it's in just a few weeks time itself. If this is the situation, if all of us can continue relentlessly, it can make a big difference. It can make a phenomenal difference, and this is something which is very, very important. And let's see how we can put our hands together and do this. Yesterday we were looking at how you can become a little more conscious by trying to go into silence for some periods of time, and that if that's not possible, by at least allocating a few hours on a daily basis, maybe just from night to morning, or whichever way it's possible for you. So we were looking at how we can do that. But suppose this is something which you're finding it difficult and you want to start with something even more simpler, then today we are going to explore another possibility, how you can become a little more conscious. One thing which you can try is reducing your speech by 50%, seeing if we can reduce the number of words which we are using to convey something by 50%, and still conveying the same meaning which we want to do. So if you try to do this, you will see that you will become conscious of everything which you are uttering. Right now maybe we're just speaking unconsciously, but now if we have to do the same thing which we have to speak in just 50% of the words which we are using, then we will become more conscious of our speech, and that's something which can make a phenomenal difference. The moment we become a little more conscious about what we are speaking, you'll suddenly see that this consciousness can permeate other things as well. So please try this and see. Try to see if you can convey whatever you want to convey whenever you're speaking to someone, but just use half the words which you normally do, and try to see if you can convey the same thing. So please experiment with this, because if one can bring a certain consciousness into how one's speaking, what they're speaking about, and see if they can reduce the speech, you will see that it just brings a certain awareness which you may have not experienced before. You will suddenly become more aware of your speech, maybe your thoughts, your emotions, everything else will slowly start coming into your awareness, which is very important. So please try this, please experiment and share with us how this has been for you. Namaskar.